The Bechdel test provides really useful to measure how far media, in particular film and television, are doing in terms of women. This has given rise to many derivative tests that analyze representation along other lines, such as race, sexuality, and ability. This presentation will explain the original Bechdel test, look at some of its effects. Before getting into derivative tests, as an introduction to how measuring representation affects change in the media. The test introduced by the cartoonist Alison Bechdel in 1985 video her comic strip Dex to watch out for. It applies three simple rules. A film has to have at least two named woman it, who talk to each other about some others than a man. While these criteria are so basic, then I wonder how they exist in the first place. They do, particularly a persistent flaw in many a popular film. The Bechdel films emphasize how women are usually pushed to the side in media. They are not given full-fledged characters who develop lives and relationships, independent of men. The success of the Bechdel test has led to others tests that focus on different aspects of presentation. So the other way is the Duvernay test evaluates whether people of color have fully realized lives rather than just serving white character stories. The Vittorossi test, created by GLAD, examines how LGBTQ characters are included and whether their roles are meaningful. This derivative test shows that representation isn't just about presence, but about depth, respect, and relevance. Together, this tool helps for more inclusive, realistic portraits in media. The popularity of the Bechdel test has inspired the creation of others presentation-focused benchmarks, characters, and whether they play meaningful, non-stereotypical roles. This test highlights that true representation goes beyond simply showing diverse characters. It's about giving them depth, agency, and purpose. Collectively, these tools encourage more authentic and inclusive storytelling in media.